Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed in, so start by opening Google. And clicking Settings at the bottom right, then Search Settings. You'll see Safe Search filters at the top. This is where the toggle lives. Once done, make sure you're using the same account where Safe Search is locked. If this account is managed by Family Link, pause here. You'll need the parent account to proceed. Now tap or click the Safe Search checkbox to reveal the next options and prepare to change the lock. You're ready to flip the setting. Uncheck Safe Search and save the change. If nothing changes, click Lock Safe Search to view the lock state. You'll be prompted to verify the account via password or two-step verification. Enter credentials. If the lock was set through Family Link, switch to the parent's Google account on the Family Link app, select the child, open filters, and disable Safe Search there. Make sure to clear cache or restart the browser, so changes propagate immediately. Once you've turned off Safe Search, save settings and run a few searches to confirm explicit results are visible. If results still show filtered content, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then sign out and back in. That refresh often resolves propagation delays. If the lock persists and says managed, it could be an organizational or parental control. In that case, contact the admin or parent account to remove the restriction. One troubleshooting tip: check other linked devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.